Everybody, we are going to make a TV show with Carissa Duncan. She's going to cook for us.
Mamá va a salir en el video.
I'm going to teach everybody how to make flapjacks. First off, you mix up the batter very nice, and then gently and slowly pour it onto the pan and spread it out all even. And then you set this down. Just look at that flapjack. What a nice... The flapjack's there. Look at the nice pancake. And then we're going to wait until some bubbles start to form in the flapjack. And once there are bubbles, we're going to flip the flapjack over with this flipper over.
Yeah. Sí. Saluda a la cámara.
Wow, it's almost ready. It is now time to flip the flapjack.
It's okay.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Now we are going to flip the flapjack. Voila.
She is the best chef that we have.
Best chef in Canada and in Nicaragua.
It's okay.
Now we wait.
Saluden. Say hi.
Say hi.
Ask her if she's excited about it.
Dice que si están emocionadas por el programa. Es un
Sí.
programa. Saludos para todos en Canadá, ¿sí?
Saludos para todos Canadá.
What'd she say?
She say she's speaking about hi everybody in Canada.
Oh, cool. Okay, are you ready? And that is Cooking with Carissa. That's a wrap. Did you stop it?